Hey, hi guys, this is Vamsi Reddy. I'm back with another video. Today in this video, I'm going to discuss one of the most important topic is that what internship. Some of the subscribers are asking me that what is mean by internship, what is the uses of doing internship. At first, you want to know the fully details about the internship in this video and why should we do the internship also we can know in this video. Okay, let's start the video. At first, what is meant by internship? The position of students or trainer who works in an organization, sometimes without pay, in order to gain some work experience or satisfy the requirements of fake qualification. Okay, if a student or a person for the graduation, when you are studying the graduation, completing the graduation of final year or third year, we can do the internships according to the BTech, Bachelor of Technology. When you have in a third year, you can do the internships by the supports of your colleges. Okay, doing colleges, students can learn some experience from the internship. With you don't need to see the what how much they are paying and what are the money you are getting. Just simply keep aside of that payment. First, you want to learn the experience from the internship. Okay, internships are the most important thing to learn many things. We can solve the real world problems also, where we can do a lot of projects by our own, but it's not come under the real world problem. By the doing an internship, we can get real world problem solutions also. Okay, and the next, why should we do internships? What is the necessity of doing internship? If you do an internship, what we get from the internship? That's all. These are the main 6 points. What do you get from the internship? At first, to get point number one, to get the experience. Lack of experience and this is only the way to get. By doing an internship, we can get the experience. By the experience, we can solve many more real world problems with our own. Okay, experience is the most important thing. Lack of experience, we don't get a jobs. Even jobs also, we lack of experience, we don't get a jobs. So try to build your own experience by doing the internships. Okay, point number two, to have a better understanding. Understanding means understanding the problem, system project problem, like some related to data science. We have a problems, predict the values of car feature, predict the time series, like that. Understanding the problems of betterly understanding by doing the internships, having opportunities to learn and watch. By we can get internship and we can learn the real world problems by watching and by own our eyes. Our seniors, colleagues, so many people are doing different internships. By seeing them, we can do also. Internship is a better way to learn by watching. And the fourth point is getting the ability to put the new things in a practice. Every internship will be able to learn the new things to you. By learning of new things, you can give them some effects on own projects, and you can build your own projects to get more jobs availability. And the point number five, build confidence. Confidence is the first most thing to get a job. Be confident on yourself, doing the practice, and that way you can get a confidence on yourself. Confidence makes man to get a job very easily. Okay, point number six, to get a feel for different industries. Internships, nearly we have taken 3 to 6 months. In this gap of 3 to 6 months, we can able to learn how to work in a company, some organizers, industries, so startups, anything, MNC, service based or multinational, anything. We can get different industries. We feel very good to work. We can comfortably work by doing internship. Only we are able to do at that atmosphere, climate. By doing the internship, we can finally decide that. These are the major benefits of doing internships. Okay, try to apply some of the internships to get a job in a better way, and keep that resume, that internship projects in your resume to build your jobs and to get a job very easy. Friends, I hope you have understand about this video. Do you want more updates about the data science? Please follow to our YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, follow friends. Bye. See you.